Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, heated rear seats, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.